Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 72 Blazer, probably one of the hottest trucks on the market right now. Now this one is two-wheel drive, and it's got a soft top. This thing is hot, guys. All steel. You are gonna love checking it out. 327 under the hood. That grill's looking sweet. The chrome's looking sweet. The paint's looking great. Man, she is beautiful. Strip the top off of this baby. As a matter of fact, you've probably already seen a bunch of pictures of this baby with the top off. She is amazing. Already been out and driven this thing. It drives great. Beautiful dash pad. Great upholstery. Got the rear seat in there. Go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You can see several pictures of this baby with the top off. It is a blast to drive. Now all this paint here, this is all original paint, guys. That goes to show you this thing is beautifully restored. Been very well cared for throughout the years for that door jamb to look that beautiful. Since 1972, that is 46 years. And look at that tailgate. Look at the jambs here on the tailgate too. For those to look that beautiful after all those years, gorgeous. Very, very well kept throughout the years. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. So that means we own every one of our vehicles. Look down the side of this truck. She is beautiful. We've got about 200 cars in stock right now. We don't do any consignment whatsoever, so that means we own this Blazer. And we're bringing in anywhere between 40 and 50 new units every month, so we've always got new inventory coming in. So keep a close eye on Facebook, YouTube, and our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Now, if you want a close-up picture of anything, just call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now, I've got about 35 years of experience in the business, and I'm going to put those 35 years to work for you, helping you pick out your dream car or truck. All right, here we go for riding a 72 Blazer. I'll tell you what, I wish I'd have had this baby when I was younger. This thing is sweet. I had an old 87 Chevrolet pickup truck I used to pull my boat around with. Used to just leave it hooked up to the boat, pull it down to the lake. Wish I'd have had this. This would have been a lot more fun to pull the boat around with. This thing is sweet, guys. And we can deliver this truck anywhere in the world. You guys just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain to you how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. You just give him a call. And if you need help with financing, no problem whatsoever. Tom will explain how easy the process is. We got about 3 different bankers we work with on financing. Takes about 15 minutes on the phone with them, and they'll have this thing financed and parked in your drive. No problem whatsoever. Running out nice, driving nice, looking nice. And I tell you what, well kept since 1972. This baby's 46 years old. You can see down here on the dash, the tach's working, the speedo's working. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. Now the steering wheel's not perfectly straight, and we've got a laser alignment rack. I'll have the guys put it up on the rack and make sure the steering wheel's nice and straight for you. Just probably a toe setting, no problem. Get around the corner here. Well, better wait on this car to get by. Now we're real close to the airport, and we invite you to please come check this thing out in person. Take a look at our inventory in person. We do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen, but we do invite you to come check it out in person. So if you've got the time, we'd love to have you come out. If you want to send an inspector, we will treat the inspector just like we treat you. No problem whatsoever. We'd love to have you come out. So come on out. Now we're about to do something that nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this truck up on the lift so you can see the bottom side, and you're gonna be surprised when you see the bottom side of this. This thing is beautiful on the bottom. It is absolutely gorgeous. We're coming up on our building right now. It's at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this Blazer now, and it is pretty under here, guys. You can see it's got brand new exhaust on it. You can see the brand new body mounts on it. Nice and clean. The bottom side of the bed is nice and clean. It's been all coated underneath here. Bottom side of the quarters are also nice and clean. Right around a 373 gear in the rear end. It is an open rear end. It's got this swing arm suspension. They actually use this suspension in NASCAR. That's how good this suspension is. Very cool that they use it in the trucks too. Flowmaster mufflers, that's what gives it its nice sound. The foot boxes here for the doors, they all looking sweet. Floorboards are looking good here, looking all original. Turbo 350 trans. The truck does have headers on it. Does have disc brakes up front. The guys will check out the brakes. On the rear there are drum brakes. The guys will pull those apart, make sure they're in good working order. You can see the front frame horns are nice and straight. Doesn't look like the truck was ever in a major accident. You can see the front of the back side of the front bumper is nice and clean, so you can tell it's definitely a brand new front bumper. The inner wheelhouses are nice and clean. The truck is definitely in great shape. Definitely well kept throughout the years. We got great looking wheels here too. We got some Coopers on the tires. Let's see if I can find the size. There it is, 255/70 15s there. Bottom side of the front fender, nice and tight, looking good for 1972. Bottom side of the rockers looking nice and tight. Bottom side of this quarter here on the side of the truck also looking good. I mean, this is all 1972 metal, all looking good. 255/70 15s, and look at that wheelhouse up in there. Look how nice and clean that is in there. Beautiful. And again, there's your brand new exhaust. You can see this rear bumper here. This rear bumper looks like it may have been replaced years ago. I see a little paper tag there, but I do see a little bit of age on that bumper. The chrome is shining real nice. Well, let's get underneath the hood and check out what's making power. All right, under the hood here, it's been transplanted with a 327. It's got a Carter AFB 4-barrel sitting on top of that aluminum intake. It does have power brakes, and it does have power steering. The truck does have air conditioning, and take a look at that firewall. Now, I do believe that is original paint there on the firewall. You can see original chalk marks here. That goes to tell you that this truck was very well cared for since 1972. I believe this to be all original paint too. I'll tell you what, someone took very, very good care of this truck for this thing to still look this good since 1972. I mean, this baby's 46 years old, still looking sweet. She's a beautiful truck, guys. She's a Blazer. These babies are super hot right now. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.